Hi, Vishal.
हाँ सर. Yes sir. Hello.
Yes, Vishal. Am I audible?
हाँ sir, yes.
So Rajit is coming.
Yes sir, yes.
Okay. Right. So, so today we'll complete the manual testing. Okay. So in the manual testing, last class we discussed. Okay. Testing principles of testing under test plan
Okay.
template. Test planner template. Okay. Now we'll see the test design techniques. Test design techniques. Okay. Test design techniques and test plus template. First, test data, test design and test data. It is information about the input conditions, positive or negative. Okay? It is prepared by the test engineer. It is prepared by the test engineer. To find the input domain condition, okay, we have to use the test data methodologies. Two things, one is BVA and ECP, major. Okay, the test data we have two things majorly, the BVA and ECP, of some more are there already. That also we'll discuss later. Okay. Now, BVA, okay, boundary value analysis. ECP, equivalence class partition. Okay. Now observe here. Observe here. For example, take an username. Okay, username minimum age to maximum 15, for example. Password minimum 10 characters to 20. This is my okay inputs. Inputs means username and password. These are the two inputs. Okay, two inputs. So it may be the characters or special symbols or numbers or anything. Okay, username 8 to 15, password 10 to 12. Now I have to check. I have to check this. Okay, username password. First, basically we have positive and negative. Positive and negative tests. So positive, what are the positive and what are the negative? We have to check. So before that, what we have to do? We have to take the boundary values. What is the boundary value of username? Okay, username lower value is 8, upper value is 50. Lower value is 8, upper value is 50. Now see. Here, what are the positive test cases? What are the negative test cases? Now see. After here, okay, BVA is here, boundary value, BVA is equal to 8, right? BVA plus 1, BVA minus 1, and BVA. Okay, boundary value, okay, boundary value, BVA, B plus 1, BVA, and BVA. Okay, now check it the value. Take lower value, 8 plus 1, 8 minus 1, exactly 8. Now tell me the positive negative case here. Positive, negative, and positive. Correct or not? Whenever I want to test an application, I have to check first, okay, boundary values here. 8 and 15 are the boundary values. One is lower value and upper value. And same thing. Okay, here 15 plus 1 negative,
Okay, okay.
15 minus 1 positive, 15. Okay, positive. The password also same. For password, what are the okay 10 20, right? 10 20. Now 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 positive, 10 minus 1. Okay. 10 minus 1.
Negative.
Yeah, exactly. 10 exactly 10.
Positive.
Yes, these are the main test cases we have actually. So here how many test cases? 6 test cases minimum. Six test cases for the okay username and password. Okay, username and password. Here also 20 plus 1 negative, 20 minus 1 positive, 20 positive. Instead of
Positive.
checking all the characters. See actually how many I can test, how many test case I can write here 8 to 15 means so 15 factorial is equivalent to 15 into 14 into okay 13 into 13 into 12 into 11. These many test cases I can write, but so if I do like that, there is exhaustive testing, there is impossible in testing. If you do like that, yes is required for that. Okay, that's why we are going with BVA. Okay, boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis. Understand my point? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is only
Yes,
the
sir.
BVA. This is the BVA and ECP, equivalent path partition. So for example, so one, two, three, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. This is the positive partition for the months. Now see 0, 0, -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, and here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Sir,
20, 21, 22, 23.
sir.
Tell me.
ओ 1 के ऊपर अपन 0 नहीं ले सकते क्या सर?
0 month is not there, right?
Oh.
0 month is there, no, right?
Okay.
Well, I am telling here class partition. This is a valid class. This class. I have 3 portions here. One is valid, remaining 2 are invalid. So left side one is invalid, right side one also invalid. Only the center one is valid. This is called class partition. We are dividing the numbers into the class partition. Those are not proper. Those are not suitable. Okay. Those are suitable here. What is the suitable for month? 1, 2, 3, 4, see up to 12, right? Correct or not? Vishal,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
For
sir.
example, if you take date, to except left hand side, remaining 2 are valid, right? 30, 27, 28, 29, 30, for this month 31. Okay. So under 32, 33, 34, 34. This is a invalid again. Correct or not? Here, these 3 portions are the okay valid portions. Correct or not? First and last one are the invalid portions. Clear?
Yes.
So, for example, you have in a calendar, you have to divide like this. Okay, for months, which one is suitable? So, equal class partition. Here we can call it equal class partition. Now, observe here. Okay, BVA, you understand, I think, right? Next, class partition, equal class partition, ECP. Valid data, invalid data. We are tabulating here. Okay, tabulating. Observe here. Okay. Valid lower characters, upper characters, invalid digits like that. So now, for example, if you take any, okay, 6 to 10. Now observe here, valid portion. Okay, 6 to 10 is the valid, 0 to 5 is the invalid, 11 to 12 also invalid. Equal class partition. Here I took 6 to 10 is the okay username category. Then how we can validate to the invalid portion? So 0 to 5. Here 11 to 12. 6 to 10 only the valid portion. Here or not? Vishal, Rajat.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then here also.
Yes, sir.
For example, date if you take invalid portion is this invalid. This is the valid portion. You understand my point?
Okay.
All right. So whenever I'm writing the test cases, why I'm explaining this much actually? Recently, one guy attended the manual test interview. He got the question like that. He's traveling in the metro train at the time of 12 o'clock. Right on the test cases. You understand the question? He is traveling in the metro station, okay, at the time of 12 o'clock. So here, how many questions will come? Still he is traveling, okay, or when he started,
Yes.
when he ended. So what is the positive cases? That means what is the lower value or the upper value? Okay, you got my point. That you have to take, then you can give the answer. It's very, very important. Sometimes they'll ask the question. The fan is revolving. Write down the fan is revolving. Write down the test cases. What is that? First we have to take the input when the fan is started. Okay, whether the fan is continuously running or stopped. Okay, so continuous running is still in the positive case only. So if it is when it is started 11 o'clock, okay, so it started 11 o'clock, still running. You understand my point? Lower value, upper value, always you have to take, you have to write the BVA. You got my point? The test case is how we are writing, very, very important. That we have to understand clearly. Next. Okay, decision table. Okay, decision table you cannot understand simply here observe it. For example, okay. So I am taking the example here. Flight from flight to flight, okay, button actually. If I fill these two, then only flight will be, okay, flight will be clickable and you will get the output here. Now simply, what I can do here? From flight, false, true, okay, false, false, false. From flight to, both are false, false. One is true, one is false, false. Okay, one is false, one is true, false. Both are true, generally true, right? Got my point. You understand this? Same thing we discussed in the R and operators, actually, logical operators. Hello?
Sir, hello. Sir, repeat. Sir, repeat.
For example, if you take this, see, if you take this diagram, simple diagram, okay? Now, these two is, okay, these two is filled, then only the button will be highlighted here. You fill these two, fly from, fly to, then only the button will be highlighted. When the button will be highlighted, both are filled. Both are from filled and two also filled, then only you will get the button highlighted, okay? You got my point? Hello?
Oh, yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing I am writing here. From, fly from, false, fly to false. The button will not on. Okay. Fly from true, fly to, not given, false. False to, whenever both are filled, then only your button will be highlighted, then you can book the flight. Correct or not?
Okay.
These type of applications we are testing with decision tables. You can call it as a decision table. So decision table testing is a good way to deal with the combination of inputs which produce the different results. You got my point? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. So state transition technique. State transition. For example, ADM type of systems are there. In that case, how we can test? For example, Rajat and Vishal, I went to the one ATM system. I put the card. I gave the wrong password, wrong pin. What will happen, sir? It reject, right?
Yes, sir.
Second time I did. Second time also I did. For example, some other person stolen my card. We try to log in once, twice, thrice. You get the output, it's okay. What happens fourth time? It is blocked, right?
Yes, sir.
These type of applications you have to do the page transfer. See, first to start access. Try, you'll get two things. One, money will come, otherwise is an incorrect password. Second also, money will come, second one is an incorrect password. Third, money will come or incorrect password. Fourth, so incorrect password will not come, incorrect password will come and will be blocked. Money is not, again we cannot do the next transaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is state transition. See, if you want to do the different applications, so we have to create the test cases different ways. Okay. Next point. Last one. Use case testing, diagrammatic format representation. For example, a user is there, a system is there, user and system in between. So, for example, user, okay, okay. Step one, enter the agent name and password. Okay. Next, valid password. Allow to access. Password not valid. Okay. So, password not valid for 4 times. The application will be closed. Clear? Okay. System actor. The diagrammatic representation. You can call it use case. Actor and system is there. Actor is an okay. One use case and system is another use case. Okay. So we can use the another type of okay test design techniques. You understand my point? BBA, ECP, decision table, state transition, and last one is a use case. These are the 5 design techniques to design the test cases. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to write the test case? How to write the test case? For example, I'll show you with the Excel sheet. Okay. Okay, you have to prepare an Excel sheet here. Microsoft Excel, I want. Here, Microsoft Office. Here is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Excel. So this is my Excel sheet. Now, the first test case ID. This is the main one. If you got the job, first you will get this job only. This is called QA job, quality analyst job. Got my point? QA job, quality analyst job. Okay. Next. Second one. Test scenario. For one scenario, how we can write test cases? You can write any number of test cases also sometimes. Okay. Test scenario. Test case. Okay. Test case. Okay. Now, expected data. Expected data. Actual data. Next. Pass or fail. Pass or fail. Pass or fail. Test case ID, test scenario, test case, expected data, actual data, pass or fail. Pass or fail. This is the complete okay test case. Okay. Now test case ID okay. 1 3 ID 1. Now test scenario. What is the test scenario? Okay. Enter link on a browser. There is how many test cases will come? Only one test case, right? Enter URL, that's it. Only one test case will be. Okay. Expected data. What is expected data? Link has to link URL has to open okay correct site or current site what we want okay current set. Opened. What is the actual data? So opened. Up to here, up to this part, okay, we'll do by the test engineering. Test engineering. That means to see the test like 5 to 6 years of 5 to 6 years of experience he has, he will do. Actual data is opened, pass or fail, pass. Pass. Test case 2. Now, second one. The link is opened, that means the login page is coming. Okay. Now, entered, okay, enter username, enter username. Here we can enter the, you have different actually. So, first, in this first one is okay, enter username with the, okay, enter username with the characters. Only characters. Second one. Enter username with the digits. Third point. Test case होता है. Enter username with the alpha numeric. Okay, that's fourth one. Enter username with the alpha numeric and special symbols. Okay. So now all cases, okay, all cases. Okay. Now, what is the answer here? Okay. Test cases. What is the expected data? Oh, okay. It may be for everything. It has to validate. Validate. Okay. Now, for all, for four same one. Validate. Validate. Okay. So 4 test case here. You can verify 4 times. Okay, not validated, not validated, not validated, not validated, validated. That means so in the 4 test cases it is pass, remaining are not pass. Okay, so it has to show the not validated only. If it is validated, with this also your application is not proper. Okay, that means everything is pass only here. Pass, 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 pass. Understand? Yes. For example, if I give only username with a character, if it is validated, then it is failed. If it is validated here, it is failed. In the fail case. You understand my point? Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Do you have
sir.
any confusion here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, sir. No.
Oh, like this,
No, sir.
you can write any number of test cases. So, all test cases we have to check whether pass or fail. What are the failed test cases? Again, we have listed. Those are sent to the developers. Developer has to verify those. Okay. After verifying, again come back to the developer tester. Tester has to do until unless we get the good quality product. Understand my point? Vishal and Rajat, you have to do the only this part. Up to expected data, test engineers will give. Only you have to actual data, pass or fail. Actual data, pass or fail. You have to check the application, pass or fail. Check the application, pass or fail. Like this, we can get the more than 1 lakh test cases also. Okay, that's why manual testing is required minimum 2 to 3 months of time. Okay, 2 to 3 months of time. Okay, plenty of manual testers will work. So manual testing is the main testing to compare to automation, because 80% of defects will be free from the manual testing. Only 20% of defects you can find out from the Selenium testing. Got my point? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of writing, I will show one. I will show an example here. Okay. So already I have one template. So I will show the template. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, so test case template, company name, client name, product, project name, product name, module name. In the test case ID, test case summary created by testing engineer. Next, procedure of the creation. Okay. So last one is procedure. In that test step action, test data, expected data, actual data, result data. Okay. Now see, this is the exact. Okay. Exact. So I forgot to give test data actually. Sorry. So here it will come actually. After scenario. So here it is. Just is a description of the description. Test data. So here no data. Here we have username. Clear? Understand? So this is about okay. Now check it once. This case template. Now login. So for example, take an HMS project, hotel management system link. Okay, link drop down here. Okay, drop down appears it pass. Just check for admin. Enter the password like that. You can do any number of steps here. Understand? Okay. Here,
Yes, sir.
this is the QA duty, quality analyst duty. Okay, quality analyst duty. See, when you go for the interview point of view, you will face more problems. But when you go for the manual tester, as a manual tester, you got the job. Very easy to do the job. Okay. But we have to put the what we can call dimag. Dimag we have to put for that. So based on the client document, we have to test the application. We have to the test. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
This is about the manual testing. Okay. So all testings needed to be okay to understand the manual testing here, and also so major parts. Test design techniques you have to know. Test plan you have to know. Okay. Test case template and goals of test engineer. So everything you have to know. Then only you can crack the interview. Okay. Like, no, simply. Correct. So now see. So last I told you agile methodology I will explain last. Okay. That I will explain now. Okay. That I will explain now. Agile, what is agile method? Observe here, for example, we have a big project. We have a big project. So there are plenty of methodologies for agile now. Scrum, Crystal methodologies, BCM, new features. But in real time, the people are using Scrum. So regarding Scrum, we will explain. Okay, regarding Scrum. Okay, that's it. Observe here, for example, briefly I will explain instead of explaining the document. Because actually, generally, what we are doing, so testing team is different, developer team is different, deploy team is different. Here, what we have to do, so one Scrum team, okay, Scrum team is there. In that, we have one Scrum master. Under the Scrum master, we have different persons. First one is BA, business analyst. Okay. Next two, developer. So next two, designer. That means UI person. QA, quality analyst. And client person. Okay, client person. So the all together sheet. Okay, all together sheet. UI. Okay, first BA. BA will be there. UI will be there. Okay, so whenever tester quality analyst testing an application, he got the doubt. Okay, so we'll ask BA or UI or developer. Okay, so if we got any what we can call defect, that also send. That means a small team, simply a small team, okay, prepared with okay multiple cross functionalities. Cross functionality is called agile method. Cross functionalities people will form into a small team. Small modules will develop. Okay, that case is called okay agile methodology. So VB model we already saw. Okay, developing activities and test cases okay simultaneously. But here not like that. One team will sit together. That team having all the persons, they will develop a module. This type of this type of okay life cycle is called agile life cycle. You understand my point? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
These all are work under the Scrum Master. Scrum Master. Okay, right now. See, one more point here, okay? Okay, one more point here. So here, these all, okay, these all are developing a model. It's called sprint. You can call it as a sprint. Every day Scrum meeting is there, weekly once sprint meeting is there. Within 25 days, one sprint has to, okay, release. The sprint is nothing but a module simply. Sprint is nothing but a module. Every day, Scrum meeting will be there at the end of the, okay, day, and weekly once a sprint meeting is there. Okay, so each 25 to 30 days once one sprint has to release. This is the okay agile methodology main idea. Now 90% of companies are using the agile methodology. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is about okay manual testing. One more small topic is there here. Okay, one more small topic is there. That is defect life cycle. Defective life cycle. Let's see how to download one defect life cycle. There is only one. Okay, I will explain that. After that, we close the session.
Kuno? Kuno?